5 years ago, learning one skill could help you sustain in the IT sector for years. But today, things have changed. A skill can become absolute in just months. AI is writing code, AI is building reports, AI is automating tasks which a team full of 10-15 members was doing manually. And that is the reason companies are looking for smarter engineers and developers in this particular case. And that is the reason why companies nowadays are not hiring degrees. They are hiring people who are able to use AI, who are able to build with AI, and who are master in AI and their implementation. Do you know what is the scary part? Most of the professionals know that they need to upskill themselves to match the requirements of the companies, but they don't know what to learn. AI, data science, product management, software development, and what else? People are busy figuring that out, and that is the reason the skill gap is increasing and getting wider and wider. And that is the reason we are going to discuss about one of the solution for this particular problem, that is Masai School. Yes, you might have already heard about Masai School for its pay after placement model, but that thing is completely changing. So today let's break down what Masai School is in 2026, what kind of programs they offer, how they are leveraging AI to make sure that the students or the learners are getting the best quality education and they are able to crack any particular job opportunity in the market. Today, Masai positions itself as India's fastest growing online career school. Their focus is very simple, not just teaching, but helping learners become industry ready. As of 2026, they are having around 40,000 plus active learners who are learning on their own platform. They are having 25,000 plus learners who have already been trained, and their program spans across technology, management, analytics, marketing, and AI. What makes Masai interesting is that it follows an outcome driven education model. In simple terms, the goal isn't just to complete a course. The goal is to build skills that directly translate into employability. And in today's AI driven market, that is becoming increasingly important. Now you might think, why does this matter in the AI era? But let me talk about the elephant in the room, that is AI, artificial intelligence. A lot of people think that AI will eliminate job, but what's actually happening is slightly different. AI is eliminating repetitive tasks. At the same time, it is creating demand for people who understand how to work alongside AI. That's why companies are hiring for skills related to AI and machine learning, data analytics, product management, cybersecurity, business analyst, and business intelligence. Along with that, they are also hiring for digital marketing with AI. And the challenge is that traditional education often doesn't take a lot of these concepts. They take a lot of time to complete all these concepts, and industry changes in months. And this is exactly the gap that Masai is trying to solve. Masai's programs are built around current industry demand. On the technology side, they offer software engineering, AI and machine learning, data science with AI, cybersecurity, and ethical hacking. On the management side, they are having courses like product management and applied and generative AI. They have business analytics with agentic AI, entrepreneurship, supply chain, and management. And on the marketing side, again, they are having digital marketing with AI, automation tools, SEO, and performance marketing. And along with that, the most important and interesting part is that they are AI integrated into almost every major program, which makes sense because AI is no longer a separate industry, it's becoming part of every industry. Now let's talk about the outcomes from Masai School, because ultimately that is what most people care about. According to publicly shared data, there are around 7,000 plus learners who have been placed. 94% placement rate was reported in 2023-2024. Average package stands at approximately 6.1 lakh rupees. And Masai School graduates have gone to work at companies like Swiggy, Smallcase, ShareChat, Ola, IBM, and a lot of big companies. They are having around more than 5,000 companies overall. And the organization also states that the career transitions through its programs have positively impacted over 1,000 plus family members. You can also check out the testimonials from the people who have actually made it big because of Masai School. From cab driver to the software engineer, there are a lot of testimonials from a lot of people. You can go and you can check it out as well by yourself. One thing that genuinely stood out to me is accessibility. India has a lot of talent pool everywhere, but the opportunities aren't equally distributed. Masai offers programs in Hindi, Telugu, Tamil, Marathi, Malayalam, and even Kannada. Same curriculum, same mentors, same projects, same outcomes. Only the language changes. For learners from tier 2 and tier 3 cities, that is a significant advantage from Masai School. So, is Masai School worth it in 2026? The answer depends on your expectations. If you're looking for a shortcut to a high paying job, probably not. No platform can guarantee that. But if you are someone who wants structured learning, who wants guidance and mentorship, who wants to build AI relevant skills, who wants to career focused programs, who wants to stay competitive in the changing job market, then Masai School is definitely worth exploring. Because the biggest risk today isn't AI replacing jobs. The biggest risk is failing to adapt while the market changes around you. If you are like to explore Masai School's program, I've added the link in the description box. Let me know in the comment section, what skill do you think will matter more in the AI era? AI, cybersecurity, data science, product management, or something else? If you feel that this video was helpful, then share it with all of your friends who want to excel themselves, who want to upskill themselves, so they will be also getting benefit from this particular video. Thank you and have a great day ahead.